Hey guys, welcome back to the final part of a Firebase database tutorial sort of series. I don't know if this is the final part, to be honest, but this is just the part where I'm going to show you guys how I can upload data to Firebase from here, how I can delete that data, or how you can retrieve it. So I've already created two keys and values when I created the database, but that was just with this, without actually without using the code. So I'll show you guys how to use the code now. So what we want to do is, we've actually already imported Firebase and Firebase database, and in the previous one we set up everything, so the pods and the firebase.configure here. But you should import Firebase with the video before you start this video. So what we have to do is we can create a reference, and actually I just call it ref for short, but you know, and then this is just a database.reference, and actually let me make this a tiny bit bigger because otherwise it doesn't really. Alright, so now what we have to create is we have to create the we can start creating the child. So basically a child path is the age, so the child path for this key would be age, the child path for this one would be name, and what I can do, I can create a new child path. So I'll call this let's just call it hello. No, actually no, we'll just call it gender, and then we do dot set value, and the value can be a string, int, bool, or float, or something like that. So it can't actually be any data type, but it can be most of them. I always just use string, use JSON, then you can convert it back into codables once you've got the data back. So I'm just going to set it as a string here, and I can just set this as male. So now if I run this, we should have a new key called gender, and the value being male. So let me run this. I don't think I have the simulator, so it'll take a bit longer than usual because the simulator has to start up, but yeah, we'll just wait. And yeah, and basically the way you actually change keys is you just write to it again, and if it's the same key then it will just override it. So yeah, I'll just wait for the simulator to start. Don't think it started yet, cause yeah. Alright, there we go, and yeah, here it is. So that was how you add a new key. And if you want to add more than one key, so let's say you wanted to have different people, so if I could do dot child again, and I'll make this person 1, then that, run this again, and we should get a new sort of key thing, person 1, expand this, gender male. So yeah, and now let's say we want to change the age thing, so I'll just get rid of this dot child, and we'll use the key age, and now I actually have to set this as an int since age is an int, and I'll just set it to 999 instead of 1000. Okay, and run this again. And there we go, so it's changed. So that's how you set values, and yeah, so it's this, you have to create the reference up here. Now to delete values, what you have to do is we can still use the same sort of thing, so you still have to navigate to the child. So let's say I wanted to delete the name, ref.child name, and then I can dot remove value. It's that easy. And let me comment this one out, delete the value, let's run this, and the name gets deleted. So yeah, that's how you delete values. And now finally how you sort of get data. So this one's a little more complicated, but it's still pretty simple. So what you want to do is you can use the same ref again, and you navigate to which sort of key you want to get. So let's say we wanted to get the age key, what you do, you navigate to that key, and then you can do dot observe a single event type, and then data event. This is of dot value, and click enter here, and snapshot in. So this is just, wait, am I doing this wrong? Observe single event of, oh, okay, snapshot in, and then snapshot will return a string. So in here we can convert that snapshot into the age. So let age is equal to snapshot dot value as int. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Wait, what? Oh, that's why it's not working. Let me delete that. Alright, and what's this? Oh my god, I think, oh, there should not be an in here. Why is that there? Right, let's try and run this. Okay, so now we have the age. Let's see if this works. Let's print the age and run this. Okay, so it's got the age, and let's say we change this to like 65, and let's try and run this again. And yeah, there we go. So that's how you retrieve data. And now for the app, well, the whole point of this was that it was going to set the whole string, like it was going to set a string, but I guess we can still do that. So when I click the add button, I'm going to add a value, and let's just make it name. So we'll just add a string ref, oh, we need to create the ref, let ref equals database.reference and ref.child name dot set value, and then we can just make this name text field dot text. Alright, so let's run this, and now let's say I make this something like aria and add item, and it's there automatically. So we can change this. So if I just make this hello, it's not going to add a new name key, it just replaces the existing one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and that was how you use Firebase in Swift. These are the main three functions, as you say, so delete, set value, and also observe value, so get the value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!